Hi guys, I'm Eva. In this video, I will be showing you how to enable solver add-in in your Excel. If you're an Excel fan like me, then this video is for you. Alright, so what is solver anyway? Solver is a tool that is designed to solve optimization problems. Now, optimization problems are very common in business. There's always an objective you're trying to achieve. You're either trying to maximize profit or minimize costs and so on. These objectives are usually subject to a set of constraints like budget, for example. In summary, it involves trying to figure out the best solution from a set of possible choices. For example, the number of goods to produce that will maximize your profits. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I have my Excel app opened. Then I'm gonna head on down to File and click Options. Yeah, so next I'm gonna go to the add-ins. Over here at the Manage box, you wanna make sure Excel add-ins is selected. If it isn't, you hit the toggle button and select it from the list of options here. So over here, you want to make sure solver add-in is checked. If it isn't checked, yeah. Good, so to confirm that solver has been enabled, we head on down to the data tab and voila, we have solver. So in the next video, I will show you an example of an optimization problem and how solver can be used to find the best solution for it. If you find this video helpful, kindly like and follow for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.